Ever wondered how education can change your life? Let me tell you my story. I am a 13 years old boy from Chattogram, Bangladesh. Like many kids my age, I have big dreams. I want to become a software engineer, but in my country, achieving these dreams is not so easy. Our educational system has many limitations: overcrowded classrooms, lack of proper equipment and laboratories, and a curriculum that does not prepare us for the future. Despite these challenges, I am determined to keep learning. I have always sought out ways to educate myself, using the internet to find resources and materials that my school can provide. But it's not enough. To truly excel, I need more guidance, better tools, and opportunities that all institutions like RCA can offer. Education has always been my beacon of hope. It is the path that can lead me to a brighter future. Beyond the limitations of my current environment, I look up to successful people like Elon Musk, who revolutionized technology, and Vera Wang, who became a fashion icon. They all had access to quality education that empowered them to achieve their dreams. In Bangladesh, many of us are deprived of such opportunities. Our schools lack the resources and infrastructure needed to nurture our talent. We have to learn in overcrowded classrooms with outdated equipment and insufficient guidance. Despite these hurdles, I refuse to give up. I constantly seek knowledge online, attending free courses, and watching educational videos to keep my dreams alive. The RCA scholarship represents a ray of hope. It is a chance to break free from the constraints of my current situation and access the world-class education I need to fulfill my potential. With RCA, I can learn, grow, and eventually give back to my community by establishing educational platforms that provide others with the same opportunities. For me, education is not just learning facts and figures. It is the key to freedom. It is the bridge that connects me to my dreams and allows me to shape my future. With the RCA scholarship, I can become the person I have always aspired to be, a software engineer, and a beacon of hope for others in my community. I'm not asking for a handout. I'm seeking a hand up. With your support, I can access the education that will empower me to break free from the limitation that held me back. Together we can make a difference, proving that education truly is freedom. Thank you.